Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and we are thankful and happy to be alive to see the next day. Who is behind me? Say
Hello.
hello.
Face.
What are we gonna do?
Green
He's ready to green. How you know I'm gonna do green juice?
Because every time you make green juice.
So it's early in the morning and I slept in a little bit and babe took over for a shift. You know that's how we do. So now he's taking a nap and I'm up and pumped and ready to get my day going. But first, green juice for the fan bam, for me and the kiddos, and then I'll get on with my day. So have a good day. Hopefully you guys are doing well and staying blessed and staying love and staying motivated. And let me just say, everything that is happening in USA right now is just ripping my heart apart. Hold on, I soon talk to you. The death of George Floyd. I can't get the image of the man's face out of my head. Babe and I was talking yesterday and Babe was saying, how can somebody be so comfortable? Tyler, Sarah in the draw. How can somebody be so comfortable and so relaxed killing another man, especially a black person, knowing that he was being filmed and that didn't even faze him for a second? So y'all, do what you have to do in order to get some form of justice and let voices be heard. It's enough. My God, it's enough. I can't get that man's image out of my head from watching that video. My heart just breaks for his family, regardless of whatever the case may be. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna get on with my day. Y'all continue to stay safe and stay loved and stay blessed and stay motivated. Look at my girl here saying hello. You see? Saying hello. Say hello. Anyway, you guys, catch you guys in a bit. Show you guys the big girl. She's over there chilling all by herself this morning. Say morning to the face, Sarah. Say morning, 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 morning. Say morning, morning, everybody. Morning, morning, morning. Morning, 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 everybody. Look at you with that thing in your mouth. Morning, 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 morning.
When I want to turn on the light of my glass, how do I turn it on? There's nowhere where I can charge it.
Your globe?
Yes.
No, you can't turn it on. You plug it in somewhere.
But I don't know where. But I don't know where to plug
That's okay. You're not allowed to plug in and plug out anything right now because of the electricity. You're not allowed to handle the electricity.
They're pulling my shirt.
Sarah, too funny.
Yeah.
Go closer to the machine. Turn it on. Good job, guys. You did that all by yourself?
Yes. And also I put it properly that the black color. I always did all what you told me.
You did well. Awesome. It's over here. And Sarah is so ready for hers. You hear her over there?
Put it soft.
2 cups of green juice.
See, Mama.
Ching.
Black and black.
Anyway guys, green juice time and orange juice time. And for breakfast this morning after green juice, I'm having an oats mix. And in here I have oats, 1 yogurt, almond milk, flaxseed, chia seed, wheat. What else is in there? Raisin. And yeah, that's breakfast concussion for today. You hear Sarah? It's a green juice she wants. You know, look at her. Look at her pacing and waiting. Pacing and waiting. Look at her. Yeah. You want juice? Juice? Yeah, 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 yeah.
You say no.
This is the juice she wants.
But you say no. Did you saw her shake her head like that?
Kitchen cooking. I'm trying to get dinner out of the way. I like to get dinner out of the way early on a Sunday because I have a lot of editing to do on a Sunday. So I like to get dinner out of the way. So what I made for dinner today, drum roll. Let me show you. I made sweet and sour chicken. That's the sauce the chicken about to go in. I made some boiled corns. I made some steamed vegetables, beans and carrots, and that's a chicken breast that's going in the sauce, and that's the rice over there. So that part is done. Of course, I'm going to add some raw vegetables later, but first let me add some of this chicken to this sauce. I don't think I'm gonna throw in everything, just enough to absorb this sauce. I need to find orange food coloring at the store. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna add just a little bit more in there. I'm sure baby's gonna enjoy this so much. All right, so there goes the sweet and sour chicken. Let me show you guys. And you know the funniest thing, there's a cooking competition happening over on the Jamaican in France group. I wonder if I can snap one of my picture and enter. So what you have to do is just cook your dinner, snap a picture and send it in. So I might just snap a picture and send it in. Wish me luck. So there goes. I just made the decision to enter that food competition. Let's see how well my dish will, how far my dish will go. Alright, I'm gonna plate my dish that I'm going to enter the competition with and show you guys what it's gonna look like. Alright, and then I'm gonna make lunch for baby and dad, as baby's feeding Sarah right now and Tyler is eating lunch, but dinner is basically finished. All right, you guys, there goes my plate for the competition. I'm excited. Let's see how well my plate does. I'm gonna take a picture and send it in right now. Oh, I have one final thing to do in the kitchen before I'm out of here. I am making my weekly oats muffins so we can have some snack in the week, especially me and Tyler that's home. Well, mostly me because Tyler is not a, he don't really fancy these. He likes his own snacks. So I'm just... Oh, baby's home this week. He just reminded me. Okay. I didn't remember. I make it, baby's on week off from work. I did not remember that. I did not remember that. I already forget him.
After she said, oh, I miss you. Oh, no, she don't.
Anyway, you guys.
He's pretending. Your mom is a comic. He's a comedian.
You guys hear all that? You guys hear what he's saying? Tell me you guys hear what he's saying.
Oh yeah, she's a comedian. She just...
I'm gonna act like I don't hear him. Ready to go in the oven? And my job here should be done for today.
Good morning, guys.
You look like you just wake and you wake long time and eat.
Yes, it's my eyes.
What's wrong with your eyes? What's wrong with your eyes? Say why. Ty accidentally hit him in his eye. And you guys know babe and I already, so you wouldn't stand a chance at the doctor right now.
Boys, kids.
Don't help her, Ty. Just hold the monkey. Yay!
Yeah.
Ça va?
Maintenant, c'est à mon...
Non, ça va. Ça t'es pas un bébé, toi.
Mais des fois, tu peux le faire.
Non, c'est le grand frère.
Yay! Yay!
Sarah.
It's, give her now. Hold the monkey, Ty. Hold it.
Just thinking how to put it.
Good job.
Here. She's listening to the movie.
No.
Yay!
Good job.
1 minute.
No, 45 seconds.
Yay!
Good job. Bravo! Yay! And do it again. She wants to do it again. Tell her come. You make she go in for the one that you threw over there.
Oh, let's go and pick that. Ah. Yep.
Good job.
Yay!
Good job, smart girl.
Yeah, try.
You guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. You guys, updating the cooking competition.
My eye feel on the camera. I have things.
You're tired. You have a bag under your eye.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen your eyes like that, honey.
Ah,
Going back to work, that's what it does anyway. Up.
going to sleep.
Oh my gosh, honey. The fat. We're up watching Blacklist after Zoom meeting. I was top 3 or top 5 in the cooking competition out of 20 something food. So I did well. I'm proud of myself of just sending a plate without even planning, but I did well. The guy who won deserved to win. His plate was really eye-catching. It was a full, but his presentation was everything. Was everything. Anyway, you guys, we're just going to end the vlog right here. Until you guys, thanks for watching. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.